Okay, I'm just going to look at finding the area of a triangle. I forgot to say in my other two bits on sine rule and cosine rule that I'm assuming you're all okay with right angle triangle work from GCSE, i.e. SOHCAHTOA. So we've done a little bit of work on this in mechanics. The other assumption I'm making is that you're okay to find the area of a triangle if you know the base and a perpendicular height. So area of that triangle would be a half base times perpendicular height. And that obviously still applies, and it applies if you've got a triangle that's looking a bit more like this. As long as you have a base and a perpendicular height, then you can find the area. So just to make it clear, you can still use that. I remember one year I had a student that suddenly thought that wasn't allowed for some reason. So that's kind of my real basic understanding. Just extending this slightly, again, I think you do this at GCSE, but I might be wrong. So extending the formula for the area of a triangle. So we have a triangle. A, B, C, and a perpendicular height, which I'm going to call H, and then standard labelling of the sides. So the area of that triangle is equal to a half base times height. But we know that sine of this angle A is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, which is H over C. And so this height is equal to C sine A. So if I substitute C sine A into H, then the area is equal to a half B C sine A. So you're expected to know and be able to use that as well. When we did cosine, we talked about two sides and an included angle. If you look at area of a triangle formula, I've got BC sine A, BC sine of the included angle A. And so similar to cosine rule, the right hand side of this equation involves two sides and the included angle. Which makes applying it a lot easier. You don't have to start labelling up your triangle or anything like that. So like sine rule and cosine rule, this works for any triangle. It doesn't have to be right angled. And so x, 7 and 6. So there we have a triangle with two sides, included angle. And so to find the area, again, it doesn't matter which way round you put the two sides in. So it's a half times 7 times 6 times sine of 110 degrees, which gives you 19.7. So that hopefully should all be quite straightforward. So it's just half BC sine A.